Hello, and welcome to the 741 channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to unclog my snowblower that's just clogged up on me while trying to finish up my driveway here. Now I apologize for the shaky video. I'm shooting this on my cell phone, but okay, so what's happened is this thing has completely clogged with snow. And the consistency of this snow is such that this is hard packed in here, solid. Now I've actually tried poking it out with a poker, and I was able to get some of it out, but I can't get it all out, and as soon as it starts running again, it clogs instantly. So if we take a look up here behind the auger where the impeller is, you can see the snow should be going up here. There's a hole here, but it is completely 100% iced up. So what I think I'll do is I'll dump this bucket of hot water down the chute, and that'll hopefully melt things out enough to clear the chute, and then the thing will start working again. Okay, so hopefully you can now see that the chute is mostly clear. There's a little bit of ice still in there. I'll dump some more water in there and kind of poke at it and see if I can get it cleared out the rest of the way. Okay, here's the inside of the machine. You can see that the hole up there is now clear, but there's still some ice behind the impeller there, so I am going to try and scrape that out before I get this thing started. Now the last thing I'm going to do is shoot a little WD-40 in here. I've never tried this myself, but other people have said that if you do that, it'll help prevent the snow from sticking in here. Even if it does help, I don't know how long it would really last in there. And of course, I got a lot of water in there, so I don't know if this is really going to be effective, but I don't think it can hurt anything, so we might as well give it a try. Okay, that's pretty much going to wrap things up for unclogging my snowblower. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to leave a comment or subscribe, feel free to do that as well. And if you'd like to support my channel in another way, please consider visiting my Amazon store, which you'll find linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.